everybody, I thought today I would show you one of my family's favorites, cottage cheese pancakes. Yes, I know the combination probably sounds a little bit weird, but they're so easy to make. They're more like a crepe. They're delicious, easy. I make them in the blender. They're perfect for any weekend morning or any late night dinner or any brunch. I serve them up with a little bit of powdered sugar, some jam in the middle, and I'm sure if you make these, your family is going to love them as much as mine. So if you want to see how to make these, just keep watching. So let me show you how easy it is to make these delicious cottage cheese pancakes. I'm going to use my blender. You can definitely do it by hand. You're just going to have to whisk a lot. So you're going to need 2 eggs. You're going to need 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Now that's too much. I'm just dipping into it with the measuring spoon. 1/2 cup of flour, just all-purpose works fine. 1/4 cup of milk, and you're going to need 1 cup of cottage cheese and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Couldn't be easier. You're also going to need some powdered sugar for the top and some different jellies and jams if that's something you'd like to put on top. We do like to add a little bit of jelly or jam. So it's so simple. All you're going to do is mix the eggs. Careful not to get the shells in. The flour, the milk. I just made a mess. There we go. The baking powder. So you want 1/4 teaspoon. In it goes. And then you're going to want your sugar, and that's 1.5 tablespoon. There we go. 1.5. And you're going to want to mix it just for about 10 seconds. I will put it on liquefy. Now I'm going to add the cottage cheese. Let me get a spatula. It is Sunday night, and I'm pretty informal tonight with this just because there's family all around and noise. In goes the cottage cheese. I love these measuring bowls my mom got me. They are so handy. And now you're just going to blend until it's incorporated. Just a couple seconds, really, maybe. Okay, now all we're going to do is, let me get rid of the sugar. We're just going to measure it by 1/4 cup, and that's exactly the size, onto a warm griddle. So I'm just heating the griddle up, and I'm going to scoop out 1/4 and make little pancakes out of it. Turn the fire down just a little bit. This one looks perfect. You definitely want to work in batches. They're puffy, they're beautiful. This one still needs to cook a little bit longer. That one's done. Next. Again, I like to take my spatula and spread it out. out. These are more delicate. They're gorgeous. I love them. Perfect too. So I like to just finish them up with a little bit of confectioner's sugar, some jam right in the middle, and I'm telling you, this is divine. Definitely give these a shot. Let me know if you try them and what you think of them. You can find the recipe and more pictures on my blog over at kjaggers.com. Oh, and I forgot, I spin syrup with a fork right around the delicious pancakes just to give it a little bit extra sweetness and deliciousness.